Ian Johnson here in the Big Tire Garage. Now, I just took delivery of the new ESAB Savage A40 with PAPR. Now, PAPR stands for Powered Air Purifying Respirator. This is ESAB's first NIOSH-approved PAPR system available in North America. It has 3 settings with adjustable airflow to deliver from 170 to 230 liters per minute through a spark-arrested filter shield. It has a convenient push-button interface with an easy-to-read LCD display for PAPR adjustment, 2-stage replaceable filter on the system that reduces fine particles and harmful fumes by more than 99%. High-capacity rechargeable battery for the blower system that can run up to 8 hours between charges. It all hooks up to a Savage A40 hood, which has all the same benefits of a typical A40 welding hood. Ergonomic headgear, large viewing area, and it has an external grind button that makes it convenient to switch between welding and grinding without having to remove the PAPR system. The kit also comes with an airflow tester so you can check the condition of your filters before each use. It's important to have access to a PAPR hood for certain industries that require welders to work with metals that produce harmful fumes. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. Inside the box is a duffel bag. Once you open it up, you'll find all the goodies inside. We'll start with the Savage hood with the fresh air system already installed. We have the fresh air hose. We have some extra pre-filters. A couple extra main filters. Some protective covers for the lenses. We have a spark arrestor for the filter pack. 2 batteries. Obviously, if you've got batteries, you're gonna need a battery charger. On the charger, you can remove the actual plug-in part, so you have to change it for international travel. And then we have the fresh air system itself with belt. A couple extra straps, and of course, the instruction manual. The ESAB A40 with powered air purifying respirator will keep you safe on the job site.